All right, folks, this is one of them calls. I gotta keep my emotions in check. This guy here already down there pissed me off before he started. Calling office, he leasing. He called the office 100 times. Talking about, hey, y'all ain't called me to schedule yet. Come on. Got 48 hours. Let's see what. Rushing me now, want me to hold on.
What's going on, boss man?
All right,
I talked to you earlier.
Yeah.
So what happened was, I did the call, the server call. What I was saying the first time, didn't nobody call and say nothing. So I, didn't nobody schedule an appointment. But I wasn't tripping though. I just had to leave work.
Yeah.
But
no problem. No, they usually give us 48 hours.
They didn't give me shit.
No, I'm talking about you give us to reach out to you. Because we got a lot of calls, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, okay.
So we usually do 48 hours before we reach out. But that's crazy though, I was just about to call you too. And go ahead and schedule.
Yeah, I was just like, didn't nobody call, and then I was like, damn. So I look like I got my own business, so I can just come on home.
Good. Yeah, no, we were gonna call you, trust.
Okay.
So
here's the thing.
That outside unit not.
It's not kicking off.
No, okay.
So, and let me ask you one more question. How do you cut the whole system completely out? Because I don't know if you hear.
Yeah, I hear the blower motor.
Because even when
I press
thermostat
right here.
When I hit off,
it should be off.
That motherfucker keep going. Like I can just keep hearing. I'm like, damn, do it supposed to cut off?
Yeah, let me see. Yeah, no, it's supposed to shut off. So it's been running like this 24/7.
Nah.
Wait. Check this out. So you can have the system off, but I'm gonna go to fan right here. See that fan?
Yeah.
You got fan on. See, fan's supposed to be in auto. So I'm gonna put that in auto right there. Let me see. So do you want to turn your fan thermostat on? Okay.
But that ain't gonna fuck it up,
No.
That's just like a fan running.
Yeah, it's just a fan.
I guess that's how I survived in this motherfucker.
But you do want to turn it off though. It's just wasting energy though.
Okay.
Yeah,
That was my light bill. All
right. But
I feel stupid now.
No, you good. Let me get a minute. All right, so I'm gonna put it in cool mode though. I'm gonna go outside and check that outside unit.
Okay then.
So you do lawn service?
I do lawnmower repair.
Lawnmower repair.
Okay. Like that generator.
Okay, small engine. Okay.
Lawnmowers, all that shit.
Oh, that's what's up. How long you been doing that?
Probably about 6 or 7 years now.
Oh, okay. Well, I bet they keep you busy then.
Yeah, I got my own shop. I was actually in the procedure. I tell you what, can I call you right back? I was in the process of actually getting another shop right here off Crocodile.
Okay.
But they look at your goddamn credit, which I got my first shop on. I'd have had 2 shops with the same goddamn credit.
Oh, okay. All right, let me check it out, see what's going on real quick. Okay, appreciate it.
You never thought about starting your own shit?
This mine?
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Well, really, me, myself, and I got an install crew.
Okay.
Yeah. All right, folks, so dude saying cool, man. He was just, hey, calling talking crazy early. Man, ain't nobody call me. Let me get to you, partner. So, all right, folks, so we got nothing going on out here. Hope this old cap and go. See, we hit that old death, bud. Oh, got a screw missing right there. He probably been out here messing with. Oh, man. All that black stuff going on here. Some of them blew up. Look at that, man. Probably got a trip breaker somewhere. It could have been old though, cause that capacitor don't look Like it been burned up. All right. So we got some power out here. We got 240. See what we got at this thermostat. So I got 0. So I got 0 volts at the contactor, but I'm gonna check right here, see if we got maybe a pressure switch open. I got 24 volts right here. All right, so we got. So I do not have 24 volts coming out here at all. So 0 volts out here. See if y'all can see there. These my pressure switches right here, but ain't nothing going on right there. How long they had that thermostat. See if maybe they tried it. Make sure you ain't trying to install it. Hey, my man, hey, my man. I'm gonna run up to the attic.
Okay.
All right.
Oh, let me move that shit out the way. You good?
No, you good.
So,
we got 2 thermostats.
Hey, I took that vent down because I went to Home Depot to try to find it, but they didn't have none. I mean that air filter.
Okay.
I try to change it every like 5 to 6 months. Is that too much?
Nah, more the better.
Okay.
All right, man. So the thermostat wasn't calling for cooling. Let's see, it might have threw me out there. Okay. Oh, so this is probably what it is. I thought I ain't got one of them on my truck either. So that see that beeping on there? I mean the discharge air temperature sensor gone. Gone bad. So you got heat, flashing heat, high limit. High limit switch done knocked it out. See if I got one on my truck. Man, I think I just put my last one in over there. I'm gonna see, I'm gonna go to my truck and see if I got one. I'm gonna take it out. Just gonna disconnect and see what it do. See, that cleared it right there. Now the condenser just kicked down. button up that condenser unit. I'm gonna go button up that condenser unit and see if I got one of them in my truck. Shoot. Split that purge. I'm gonna ohm this out. I think you're supposed to get about 15 ohms or something like that on anything. Or at least 10. Well, of course it go by the temperature too, so. Let's see. We know OL not good. That's 15. Put it back on here, see what it do. So even changing the filter. I'm gonna go button that condenser unit back up. Then run the heat. Button the condenser unit back up, run the heat. See if it's gonna go off on this switch again. Stuff off. What I might do. Take a picture of that real quick. But them Amazon trucks, no, they quiet. Yeah, if I ain't gonna hook up to it, man, but no warm air out of there, I'm gonna call it good. Yeah, compressor on. It's just that AZ311 holding it up. Really don't like the sound of that contactor. But I've had enough today, folks. Thank God dude came to the door cool, man. I ain't want no problem. So I'm gonna be here between 4 and 5. You can call me at 3:30. Have to make sure you still coming. Like what I said, between 4 and 5. I usually get people 3 hour wonder. Yes, Since it was going off on that switch though, I'm gonna see if I got one in my truck. I think I used my last one though. Let's see. High limit switch. Yeah, I used my last one. All right. That thing was reading by 15. I think it's good. Cause say you change the filter every 6 months. See what happens if that filter is real dirty. It's gonna go out. It's gonna go off on that high limit. I bet you that would happen, but since he took the filters out, I can't see how they look. And the one downstairs, I seen that one. It looked bad. They took the one out downstairs. So you can get by in cool mode, but in heat mode, that furnace don't like no dirty filter. All right, HVAC people, get ready to wrap this up. We're gonna talk to the homeowner or the resident real quick and let them know what I found. And, I was gonna say let them know what he could do. Just disconnect it, it'll reset that switch. I ain't gonna tell them that. If it happens again, give us a call. I know what to bring when I get back. All right, HVAC people.